Going, guys, that company reached out, Unicorn Lighting. Okay, so they're all out of their boxes. This is probably my favorite one. This one does directional functions. All these lights are amber white. This one does every other diode. Ton of features with this one. I highly recommend this one. Just from messing with them, you can look at my YouTube shorts to see some of these working. This one is a one that you stick inside of like your headlight housing, kind of a hideaway light. You can, I think, take this off if you need to for whatever reason, and then it's mainly just 1 inch. You pop a hole in your headlight or whatever, stick this in. Also amber white, every other diode. This one is the same concept, but it's meant for surface mounting, and it also came with a 90-degree bracket you can screw on and kind of surface mount it. So that might be what I do with these, I'm not sure. And then the last one is a split 50-50 amber white. I like how small this is. This is actually extremely comparable to the sound off signal ones I have. These are extremely bright, love them, and these seem just as bright. All of these Unicorn lighting lights have trigger wires for steady burn and all that, so you can use them as turn signals and everything. So I want to figure out how to interpret this on this golf cart. I'm taking, I think, all the lights off of these. I have 2 rears and a side on each one. I think I'm going to do, I bought stuff so I can hook these up back here, and I'm going to set it up. I have some switches I bought, which are, they're 3-position, 2-position, whatever you want to call it. It's off and then on the other side. I accidentally bought momentary, but I figured out how to take them apart and make them on off instead of momentary, and then some other power switches I threw in here as well. So I think what I'm going to do is stick 2 here. I have a switch I'm going to put on the front by the seat and flip it to the left, and it will do a left sequential turn signal, and then have the same rocker switch flip to the right and it'll do the right. And then I'll probably have a different mode or a different switch that can flip and have it strobe and do all that fun stuff. So we'll see. I use this to pick up trash along the side of the highway up here, which can be fairly busy at times, as you can see. There's a lot of traffic and I'm right on the side of the road. So yeah, I'm gonna take these off, see if I can get them to mount. The problem is with the width of the lights, it's like right on the edge of this, so I'm gonna see what I can do about that. Okay, as of right now, I just pulled the old lights out, hooked up the new ones, just positive negative. I haven't hooked up a sync wire, I haven't changed pattern, I haven't even turned them on yet. So I have some of these little jumper wires, just making sure everything's hooked up correctly, and I'm gonna flip power on and see if it comes on. It should. Otherwise, it didn't mount too bad. There was enough meat on each side to thread it into. So let me flip them on and see what happens. Well, that's good. I see flashing. As you can tell, they're really bright. I'm not going to do any split patterns like this. I'm going to do full patterns. I think I'm going to alternate white and amber. So I kind of like where this one's at. I need to add white to it though. So let me look at the manual. I didn't put the foam in between because it wasn't even touching, and then it would just be sitting there flopping around collecting spider webs. So didn't bother with that. Their instructions are fairly easy to read. Maybe not so much with strobe light against them. So pretty much I have to hook, what color is it? It's red and yellow to my 12 volt power. So I'm gonna hook up both my yellows real quick, and then we'll pick a pattern. Because every single color option, you can have a different pattern set, which is kind of cool. So
I'm gonna hook up my yellows real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I hooked up my whites to each light, so as you can see kind of what it looks like. The split pattern is pretty cool, but I think I'm going to go more with this type of flash pattern. I'm not sure yet, but whatever I do, I'm going to alternate them, so it goes like if this one right here is amber, then this one would be clear, and then flop back and forth. But yeah, those things are extremely bright. Let's take a walk back here. Let's see. I can't really see. All I see is diodes when I close my eyes now. Oh yeah, those things are a lot brighter further back. Hopefully you guys can see, because I can't see all I see is diodes. Yeah. What do you guys like? Leave a comment down below. Do you like the split pattern back and forth, or do you like the whole light go on each color? I kind of like them both, actually. I don't think I like the split as much, but with the different colors alternating, actually I really do like that. It's kind of, I mean, both of them are attention getting, so I don't know, leave a comment down below which one you like. I'm synced, and I got them in demo mode. I think it's demo mode. Kind of. It doesn't show the sequential part, but if you guys want to see kind of some of the patterns it does, this is it. I had to show you this one real quick. This is them doing sequential. It's kind of centered out, like back and forth, and it changes colors each time it completes the pattern, which is pretty cool. I can't hardly see a single thing now. I should be wearing sunglasses or something. These things are so bright. Alright, letting all the way out, and this is how bright they are. You can not see it on camera, but in the trees, it is extremely bright. You can see all the way up the hill to traffic, so I am going to shut this off because it's too blinding. Jeez. Hello. Guys, it's day 2 on this. I have it set up so the turn signals and everything work as of right now. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out what all I want to do with these. There are so many different functions you can do. I could hook these up so they could be reverse lights as well. And it's not like just picking a couple features. You can do every single feature on these things. Just a lot of wiring. So, I'll show you what I have so far. They're on there, just like they were in the last little clip you saw. Now I have a switch right here. That way, when I'm sitting down driving, typically I drive with my left hand, so my right hand, if you look straight down, switches right here. So I can just go down, flip it one way. So I flip it to the left, and I have a left sequential turn signal, which is pretty cool. It's very, very visible. It's like the farther back you get, the brighter it gets. I don't understand that, but yeah, it's extremely bright. I can't even look at it right now with my eyes. I have to look at it through the screen on the camera. And then, same thing, flip it to the right. It goes right. So yeah, that's kind of how everything works as of right now. The wire I bought, I pretty much ran every connection from here up there, except for I had to run the power wires from each light separate up, because if you wanted the default on just the green wire for the turn signal is amber and clear on each light head. So if I did just the green, apply power to green, it would do this once and then clear once. I don't want to have clear turn signals, so I had to run the power wire separate. So kind of where we're at with that.
Yes, very bright. Love them. I'll leave a link in the description down below. The next video I'm going to do on this is adding another switch and having just a normal strobe function. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.